Okay guys, so today we're going to go over a lesson called Least Common Multiples. In order to do this lesson, you're going to really want to know and have practiced your other multiples work. So that could be circling the number papers, that could be making your own chains at home and putting out the tickets, which is another video that I've made. But let's think about multiples this way. 12 is a multiple of 3 because you can make 12 using equal groups of 3. You can see that there are equal groups of 3 inside the number 12. So we're going to take a look at the numbers 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and I'm going to take out a whole bunch of these. And I have my little strippies here. They're not the most beautiful strippies, I apologize. So I'm going to start by putting out the number, and then I'm going to put a strippy there. 1, 2, 3, and a strippy. Woo, crazy strippy. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Strip. Now, our goal is to make these an equal length. So that means they're going to end at the same row. And we always start by adding to the row that is the shortest. Okay, and the shortest row right now is what? 2. So I'm going to add 2. I'm going to remember to put a strippy. It's important times. All right, what's the shortest row now? Well, let's see. These are the same, but 3. 3 is the shortest right now, so I'm going to put out 3. Cool. Dude. All right, what's the shortest now? Well, it looks like 2 and 4 are the same length, aren't they? Now, when that happens, you, my friend, get to choose which one you want to add to. I'm going to choose to add to 4. Whoa. And put my strip out. Ooh, that's a thick strip. Now the shortest one is our little baby 2. So I'm going to add to our 2. All right, now 2 and 3 are the same, so we get to choose. So I'm going to add to 2 again. Cool. Now which one's the shortest? That's correct. 3. 1, 2, 3. Which one's shortest now? Let's see. Oh, look at that. 2 and 4. They're the same again. I'm going to go ahead and add a 4. 2, 3, 4. Get more strippies out of my box. There we go. Now 2's, whoa, I'm throwing things. Jeez Louise. Now 2 is our shortest. Now 3 is our shortest. And 2 is our shortest. Let's take a look now. Which one is our shortest? Whoa, look at that. Our lines are equal. So let's take a look at the number we made in these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We made the number 12 in each of these lines. What that means is that 12 is the smallest number that is a multiple of all 3 of these numbers. That means you can have the number 12 and fit an equal number of 4s, an equal number of 3s, and an equal number of 2s. Okay, how many 4s do you see here? 1, 2, 3. We made 3 equal groups of 4. We could say, oh yeah, 12 is totally a multiple of 4 because we can fit equal groups of 4 inside of it. We would do the same thing with 3. We see 1, 2, 3, 4 equal groups of 3 in the number 12. So 12 is a multiple of 3. And we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal groups of 2 inside 12, which means 12 is a multiple of 2. So this is the smallest multiple that all 3 of these numbers share. Okay, so let's do another one. Okay, this time we're going to do the numbers 2, 4, and 5. Okay, so I've laid them all out to start. We can see that we have 5 in a strippy, 4 in a strippy, and 2 in a strippy. So remember, we're adding to the line that is the shortest line. So which line right now is the shortest? 2. And the reason we use the strips is because that way we can easily see if we made a mistake. All right, so let me give you an example. What's the shortest now? Well, 4 and 2 are the same, but I'm going to go ahead and add to 4. If I did this, I'd be able to see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd be able to see where my mistake is. If I didn't have the strips, it wouldn't be as easy to see. So which one's the shortest now? 2. 1, 2. What now? 5. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. The shortest now is 2. 1, 2. 4 and 2 are the same again, so I'm going to go ahead and add to 4. Okay, 2's the shortest again. Oh, now 5 and 2 are the same. I'm going to add to 5. All right, what's the shortest now? The baby 2 again. Now 4 and 2 are the same again, so I'm going to add 4. To mix it up. Some more of these. And 2 is the smallest again. Let's see. Oh, look at that. 2 is still the shortest. Oh, geez. Let's see now. Ah, we were so close, weren't we? So 5 is the shortest. Let's add to 5. Okay, which one's the shortest now? 2 and 4 are the same, so I'm just going to add to 4. All right, so 2 is the shortest. Need another strip. Strippies. 2 is still the shortest. Let's see. Well, look at that. They're the same length.
Okay, so as you can see, all of our lines are the same length. And when we count these, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the smallest multiple that 2, 4, and 5 share in common is the number 20. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do another problem. But a lot of times students ask me, well, Miss McGee, what happens if I get all the way down to the board and my lines still aren't equal? So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at a problem like that now, and I've already started part of it. It's the same process where we were setting out the numbers and the strippies and everything, but this time we're going to get to the end of the board, and I'm going to show you what to do.
Okay, what if we get all the way down to the board? What do we do? So I have set out here already for the numbers 2, 5, and 6. So right now, 2 and 5 are the same length. So I'm going to add to 5. Ready? There. Now 2's the shortest one. I'm going to add 2. Oh, way too many. There we go. 2 is still the shortest one, so I'm going to add another 2. Just kind of went into autopilot there. And now 2 and 6 are the same, but 5 is the longest. So I'm going to add to 6. But if we look, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces, and I need to add to 6. So since we don't have enough space here, we have to make some space, and I'm going to show you how we do that. Okay, watch carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take out the 10th bead, so then I know I can take all the other ones out below it. And I am going to exchange these 10 units for 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see how I take out the 10th one? Then I can just know I just got to take all these out rather than just counting up 10. You know. All right, there. Oh, I had to take out my 10. There we go. All right, now let's do it here too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to take out to here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops, I forgot to exchange my first 10. Miss Mickey, get it together. Yeah. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can't exchange that for a 10 yet. Now let's go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you get so caught up in counting, you forget to take out your 10. So make sure you take out your 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that we're using 10s and units, we actually don't need our strippies anymore. Because instead of adding to the line that's the shortest, we are going to add to the line or to the group that is the smallest number. So this is 2 10s and 4 units, 24. This is 2 10s and 5 units, 25. This is 2 10s and 4 units, 24, okay? So we have 24 and 24. When 2 numbers are the same, just like before, you get to choose which one you're going to add to. So I'm going to add to 2. 1, 2. Now, since you're not using strippies here, you got to be really careful that you're adding the right number. So you really have to pay attention and focus when you're doing it, okay? Now the shortest one is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, I'm going to double check here because if we have 10 here, we can exchange it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that. I'm going to put these 10 away and exchange it for that 10. So now we have 3 10s. That's the number 30. So we have 2 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units, so 26. 2 10s and 5 units, so 25. And 3 10s is the number 30. So which one's the smallest number now? We have 26, 25, 30. 25. So I'm going to add another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to exchange these 10 units for 110. Cool. And we have 30, 30, 26. 1, 2. That's 28, 30, 30. Still this one. 1, 2. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can exchange these. And let's see. Oh, look at that. We have the same number at all three places, don't we? We have 30, 30, and 30. So 30 is the smallest multiple that 2, 5, and 6 share. It is the least common multiple. 30 is a common multiple between these. It just so happens to be the least, the smallest. Okay? All right, I'm gonna show you some exchanging again one more time with 3 different numbers just so you can see that again, okay? Okay, so say we are finding the least common multiple for the numbers 3, 6, and 7. And we've been putting them out, and this is what we've gotten to. We've gotten to 30, 24, and 28, okay? So we're gonna add to the one that is the smallest number. Right now, what's the smallest number? 30, 24, 28, 24. So this time, I'm gonna count down 10 and I'm gonna put a little marker here so that I know when something gets to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if something surpasses this black line or meets it, that means we know we need to exchange. So I'm gonna add to the 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we see, look here, we got to there, we got to the 10. So I'm gonna put a 10 and I'm gonna exchange 10 units. Now 28 is the smallest one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's past our black line, so we know we need to do some exchanging. So I'm going to start down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take these away. Okay, now we have 30, 30, 35. So these two are the same, so I'm going to add, and I'm just going to go ahead and add to the 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we have 30, 36, and 35. I'm going to add to the 3 because it's the shortest. 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry, not shortest. It's the smallest number. 3 is still the smallest, so I'm going to add another one. 1, 2, 3. Now the 7 is the smallest number. We have 36, 36, 35. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We passed that black line. That means we need to count up 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Finish taking these away. Gotta remember to take out that 10, otherwise you're gonna get the wrong answer. Okay, so now we have 36, 36, 42. So I'm gonna add to the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we've passed our exchanging lines. We've got to count 10 up from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, geez. Crazy 10. Oh, geez. Super crazy 10. There we go. All right. Now we have 36, 42, 42. I'm going to add to my 3. It's the smallest one. 1, 2, 3. Still shortest one, right? We have 39, 42, 42. 1, 2, 3. Past our black line. So we need to go ahead and count up from here, the last one, to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. take out my 10 and then finish taking these away so I don't forget to add my 10. And look at that, 42, 42, 42, okay? 42 is the smallest multiple that 3, 6, and 7 share. It is the least common multiple, the smallest common multiple of 3, 6, and 7. So that's what least common multiple is. This is definitely a lesson you're going to want to practice. Once you get used to just exchanging this way, you don't have to go all the way down the board if you don't want to. You can just start here. It makes it go a little bit faster, but make sure that you really fully understand it and you've really practiced with it, okay? Because you don't want to do all that work and then not get the right answer, okay? I also highly, highly, highly recommend that you crawl before you walk. You know what that means? That means you don't want to go into something so big right away that it takes so long that you don't ever actually get to practice the concept. Like doing 7, 8, 9, that number is above 300. So I recommend don't do that until you have some really good practice. Because if you start out with something that big, you're never actually going to get to practice the basic concept. You're going to get like, oh God, this is never ending. And then you're going to stop and you won't have that time to figure out your basic concept. Okay, so crawl before you walk. Humans we're not born being able to walk. We are not giraffes. We are not horses. We have to practice before we can get to something that advanced. Capiche? All right, cool. I adore you. Have a great day.